Hi, I'm Brian Pruitt from the Intel Corporation. I'm part of the RealSense business unit. I'm here to tell you about two of our latest D400 series family, the D415 and D435 cameras. Both of these are stereoscopic cameras. They are second generation stereoscopic depth cameras. They are on sale now through our Intel authorized distribution or through click.intel.com. The 415 is our standard view. It uses a rolling shutter. It's about 2 times more accurate than our 435 just because of pixel size. The 435 has a larger field of view. It can see about 90 degrees compared to the 70 degrees of the 415. It also has a global shutter which essentially allows it to handle high speed much better than the other camera. Both of these cameras are fantastic to get started with when you're developing a new product that wants depth or vision with it. We pair it with our SDK that's on GitHub. It's all open source. The community is growing. We support Linux, we support Windows, we support Mac OS, and we support Android. Together with both of those, you can start right off and get developing and adding vision to your product. One quick view that we're showing you here is our viewer. It's about a 10 megabyte download. It comes with our SDK. It takes a heat map view of depth and it shows you how accurate our depth is. Blue being closer objects, red being further objects. You can notice that there are very few holes here or very few points where there's lack of data. We combine it with our RGB data. Everything's computed on board the camera. That data is then sent to the PC and it only uses a few percentages of the host processing. Now, to find out more about this and our other modules and our other depth technology, please come see us at realsense.intel.com. Thank you for your time.